Hi students, welcome to today's class. In today's class, I will be teaching you question number 25. Already all the adjustments we have done, what are the treatment has to be made at the time of admission of a partner. All these together we will do one sum, that is question number 25. Question number 25, page number 179. I will read the question, just listen, watch the screen. Then we will move to the sum. Sundar and Suresh are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet as on 1st January 2017 was as follows. Liabilities, capital account, Sundar 30,000, Suresh 20,000, total 50,000. Creditors 50,000, general reserve 10,000, workman compensation fund 15,000. Assets, buildings 40,000, furniture 13,000, stock 25,000, debtors 15,000, bills receivable 14,000, bank 18,000. They decide to admit Sukumar into partnership for 1/4 share in the profits of on the following terms. Sukumar has to bring in rupees 30,000 as capital. His share of goodwill is valued at rupees 5,000. He could not bring cash towards goodwill. That the stock be valued at rupees 20,000. That the furniture be depreciated by rupees 2,000, the value of building be depreciated by 20%. Prepare necessary ledger accounts and balance sheet after admission. So, you are asked to prepare necessary ledger accounts. Necessary ledger accounts means what are the two ledgers we prepared? We are preparing revaluation account and capital account. So, first we will see how to prepare revaluation account. Already I told you to prepare revaluation account, what you have to do, you have to take the adjustments what is given in below the balance sheet. Okay. So, when you take the adjustments, one thing what you must do, you have to leave off what is the capital brought in by the new partner, that should go to the capital account. All the other adjustments, that is related to the assets and liabilities, whether the asset is increasing or decreasing or the liabilities are increasing or decreasing, you have to take that and put it on the revaluation account. If asset increases means it is profit, asset decreases means it is loss. If liability increases is loss, liability decreases is profit. All profits on the credit side and all losses on the debit side. So, we will move to the sum. Question number 25. Question number 25. Revaluation account. Debit, rupees, credit, rupees. Okay. All losses put on the debit side, all profits put on the credit side. So, we will see the adjustments one by one. Okay. The first one is the capital brought in by Sukumar, that is a new partner, that you do not take, that you leave it off. Go to the next one. Stock to be valued at rupees 20,000. You have to be very, very careful with each and every word given in the question. At stock to be valued at rupees 20,000, that means the present value of stock is 20,000 rupees. Okay. So, what you have to do, now the value is 20,000 means at the beginning of the year what was the value, go to the balance sheet, see what is the value of stock. Stock value is 25,000, from 25,000 it has been reduced to 20,000. So, asset reduced, asset decreased, it results in what? It results in loss. So, write here to stock account. 5,000 rupees, it was 25,000 in the bold balance sheet, but in adjustment it is given 20,000. What is the difference there? 5,000. Only the difference only you must write here. It is a loss. So, that 5,000 loss you have to put on the debit side. Okay. Now, go to the next adjustment now. Furniture depreciated by rupees 2,000. By, that by is a clue for you. By means that is the actual loss. Okay, here you do not go and subtract, here the loss is given. So, write 2 furniture account, 2000 rupees loss. By, so that is the loss. Loss is given for you. Okay. Next, building value depreciated by 20%. Building is an asset. Asset depreciated means reduced. Asset reduced or decreased, it is a loss. So again put it on the debit side. So 2 buildings, that is also depreciation, it is a loss. 20% loss. So what is the building value? See the question. Building value is 40,000 rupees. So 40,000 means 20% loss means what you must do? 40,000 into 20 by 100. So loss is 8,000. So nothing on the credit side, everything loss. Okay. So put the total 15,000 loss. So debit side is greater, right here, by loss on revaluation transferred to partners capital account. So who are the old partners? Sundar's capital account. 15,000 is the loss. Ratio is 3:2, that is 3 by 5. Sundar and Suresh's capital account. 15,000 into 2 by 5, that is the old ratio. So that will give 9,000, 6,000. So total loss 15,000. Put the total 15,000. So this loss to be transferred to the old partners capital account. So understood? Stock is an asset, it is reduced, so loss. Furniture is an asset, it is depreciated, again loss. Building is an asset, it is depreciated, again it is loss. Asset decreases means it is loss. Put that debit side is greater, so there is no profit, only loss. 15,000 transferred to the old partners capital account in their old ratio. Okay. Next, what you have to prepare now? Now you have to prepare the capital account. Okay. Capital account. 3 partners are there. Sundar, Suresh, Sugumar. Here also you write Sundar, Suresh, Sugumar. 3 partners. Rupees, debit, credit, rupees. So as I already told you, capital account, whenever you open capital account, first thing what you must do, I have to bring the opening balance, that is you have to take it from the balance sheet what is given in the question. So by balance brought down, capital account always has a credit balance, it is a liability, all liabilities will have credit balance, so bring it on the credit side first. So first bring down the capital balance by balance brought down. So 30,000, 20,000 dash for Sugumar. Then what is the money brought in by the new partner, that is Sugumar, the capital brought in by the new partner. You see the first adjustment. After bringing down the balance, after bringing down the balance, you see the balance sheet, see whether there is any reserve, any fund is there, as well as you see on the asset side whether there is any P&L is there. Okay, so now what is given there in the question? Liability side, general reserve is given. So just transfer the general reserve by general reserve account. This general reserve should be given to the two old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. How much is the general reserve? 10,000. What is the old ratio? 3:2. So 10,000 divided in the old ratio 3:2, that is 6,000, 4,000. Okay, nothing for the new partner. Then see whether there is any fund or anything is given on the liability side. Yes, workman compensation fund is given. How much that is? Total 15,000. So write workman compensation fund account. 15,000 divided the old ratio, that is 3:2, that will give 9,000 and 6,000. Okay, then see whether anything else is there. Apart from this, nothing is there. But what we have already, revaluation loss is there. Revaluation loss. Profit means you put on the credit side, loss means you put on the debit side. Okay, so revaluation loss to revaluation loss account. So revaluation loss, how much? Again take it from the revaluation account, 9,000, 6,000, put a dash for Sukumar. Okay, now you see the first adjustment. Sukumar is bringing capital. How much is bringing? He is bringing 30,000. So debit what comes in? Buy. What is the journal for that? What the money what is bringing? What is the journal for that? Bank account data to Sukumar's capital account. So in Sukumar's capital account, what you have to write? You have to write buy bank. Buy bank. So he is bringing 30,000. Then now very important thing, one more extra is given there, a share of goodwill. For a share of goodwill of rupees 5,000. Okay, he is not able to bring cash. Previously already we did the adjustments for goodwill. It should be credited to the old partners capital account in their old ratio. Okay, but here he is not bringing. So whose account should be debited? The new partner's account should be debited. So what is the journal for that? Sukumar's capital account data to Sundar's capital account to Suresh's capital account. Okay, so now what you have to do? Sundar's capital journal is Sukumar to Sundar to Suresh. Okay, so here you have to write by Sukumar. Okay, by Sukumar's capital account. Okay, share of goodwill. His share of goodwill is 5,000. 5,000 share of goodwill. So if you want to understand, I can write the journal here. No need to copy. I will just show this journal. The journal is Sukumar's capital account data to Sundar's capital account. If you want, you can take it as a rough work to Suresh's capital account. Actually, he has to bring 5,000 rupees. Okay, in that ratio, if you divide it in the old ratio, you will get like this. He is not bringing, so his account is debited. Sukumar's capital account is debited, and these two old partners' capital is credited. So now, what you have to do? You have to write by Sukumar's capital account. By Sukumar, how much? 3,000, 2,000. 3,000, 2,000. Just for you to understand, I am writing the journal here. Okay. Now, here, what do you have to write? To Sundar to Suresh. To Sundar's capital account. So you are writing Sundar but the amount must go for Sukumar, that is how much? 3000. Next, to Suresh. To Suresh capital account. You are writing Suresh, but the amount must go to whom? Sukumar. How much Suresh? 2000. So you have to write like this. Is it clear? Hope you understood. The money, the share of goodwill of Sukumar, total is 5000. He is not able to bring, so we are debiting Sukumar's capital to the old partners, to old partners. So here what you have to do, you have to write by Sukumar and put 3000, 2000 here. Then here you have to write to Sundar and put the amount in Sukumar, to Suresh and put the amount in Sukumar. Okay, that's all. Now you put the total. $48,000 here, 32,000 and here 30,000. Okay, so now take the balance here. To balance carried down 39,000, 26,000, 25,000. So put the total here. 48,000, 32,000, 30,000. Okay. So this is the balance which we have to take it to the balance sheet. Okay. Now bring it down here. So write by balance brought down. So 39,000, 26,000 and 25,000. So this only, this three only we must take it to the capital account. Okay. So hope you understood, children. First bring down the balance, then free any reserve is there, any fund is there, transfer to the old partners in their old capital profit sharing ratio. Then he is bringing money, new partner is bringing money. For his share of goodwill is not able to bring, so we are writing by Sukumar's capital, and that should be transferred to the two old partners. Then revaluation loss, find the difference, bring it down. Thus you have to take it to the final balance sheet.